All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 000841. Everyone, please whisper. State versus Michael Keating. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Daniel Mailer for Mr. Keating.
All right, and are you Michael Keating?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we're here. One, there's a motion to revoke on file, but also the defense has filed a motion to set bond. Defense, are you prepared to proceed on the motion to revoke?
I am not. I've not received any discovery at this time, Your Honor. I have requested it from the state, but I haven't received anything.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, on the motion to revoke, I need a contested hearing scheduled in 15 days. Please give me the date.
Give me 1 second. The 20th.
The air tightens as the courtroom awakens. A name echoes. State versus Michael Keating. Two sides prepare for battle. Motions collide. Discovery withheld. A storm of legal tension begins unfolding now.
All right, so, and if you can give a reset form to Mr. Keating. Now, the next issue is the motion to set bond. He is on deferred adjudication, so he is still entitled to a bond. Is there an agreement on the bond amount?
I don't believe there's an agreement, Your Honor, but the state would be asking for a $60,000 bond.
All right, and defense, what are you requesting?
I would request $10,000, Your Honor.
All right, defense, do you have any witnesses?
We have no witnesses. I would, for the limited purpose of this hearing, call Mr. Keating.
All right. Can you raise your right hand to the best of your ability? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Michael Keating.
All right, defense, you may proceed.
A silent tug of war over freedom. The state demands $60,000. The defense pleads for 10. Eyes lock. Voices steady. A man's future now hangs entirely between two conflicting numbers.
Mr. Keating, where do you reside?
Greenville.
It's correct that you also have a second residence in Canal County, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And the court has previously ordered that you would be allowed to reside at both houses?
That's correct.
Okay. You work,
Probably, yes, sir.
but you're based here in San Antonio.
Yes, sir.
You have extensive connections to San Antonio.
Yes, sir.
Does this court have any concern whatsoever that you might not appear on the 20th as directed?
No, sir.
I have nothing further from Mr. Keating.
All right, so there was a question asked that I have allowed him to reside in any place other than Bexar County and Comal County. Is there some documentation of that?
Every word becomes a lifeline. Residence, work, roots. All under scrutiny. The defense paints stability. The court searches for truth. Yet one question lingers. Will trust outweigh suspicion this time?
I don't believe, just for clarification, I was only trying to establish that he has two houses and the court has previously allowed that he would be able to stay at either house. That's Comal County and Bexar County, nowhere else.
I mean, is there some document probation?
I believe it's in the court record, actually, Your Honor. That's where I read it on Odyssey.
I'm gonna need the file on that.
Yes, ma'am.
Did I allow Mr. Keating to reside in Bexar County and Comal County? And I just need the docket sheet.
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions, state?
Mr. Keating, do you ever travel outside the state for work?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you get permission from the court prior to doing that?
I did obtain that, yes, ma'am.
Thank you. No further questions.
Details twist through the tension. 2 counties, 2 homes, a record buried in legal files. The judge seeks proof. The state presses harder. One mistake could unravel everything in seconds.
Judge,
Yes.
you gave him permission to travel within the United States and internationally for work purposes only, and have a secondary address.
Your Honor, if I may though, that secondary address on the order amending conditions was in Guadalupe County.
All right. And you're requesting 10,000, you're requesting 60,000? All right,
Permission granted once before, now questioned again. Travel, addresses, conditions, all tangled in uncertainty. The courtroom holds its breath as arguments clash between 10,000 and 60,000 reasons to fight.
Mr. Keating, has there been any mental health issues in the past with you?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever been on any type of medications for mental health issues? Has there been any drug use in the past? All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to set the bond at $20,000. The court is going to request partial GPS for employment only. Waive GPS fees. All right, is there anything else?
Just for clarification, so he'll GPS, but he's able to go to work.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Once you sign the reset form, counsel, and if you'll let your client sign the reset form, is there anything else?
Nothing from us, Your Honor.
All right, the record is closed.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The final moment arrives. Mental health, drugs, freedom. Each word carries weight. Judgment lands at 20,000. GPS ordered, yet mercy lingers. Justice balanced. And with that, the record closes quietly.